What other person would subject themselves to getting shocked like this for their viewers?
Not me.
Only me. What's going on, guys? Today we have a little bit of a different video for you. Today I'm going to be answering trivia questions and getting shocked by this potato. No, I'm not lying. This is a shocking potato. It's called a SHOCKTATO. I wonder if they have a website or something like that. We'll link that in the bio, in the description rather. But today we're going to be answering questions, and if I don't answer them in the right amount of time, I guess I'm going to get electrocuted. Jacob is here with me, and he's going to be helping with this video.
Yep.
What's up, Jacob?
What's up?
All right, so how does this thing work again, Jacob?
So the SHOCKTATO works by, you activate it, and what we're gonna do is, it's like a 15-second timer. So when you activate it and turn it on, you'll hold it, I'll give you the question. If you're able to answer the question within 15 seconds, you'll put the SHOCKTATO down and it won't shock you. If you're not, you hold the SHOCKTATO and you get shocked.
Okay. So basically the rules are, if I don't answer the question correctly, I get shocked by this potato. Now, what kind of questions do we have, Jacob?
We're gonna be doing AP questions and SAT math questions.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's see.
Done, put it down. That was close.
Did I miss it shocking me?
It just did, that's the beep.
Oh, I got it.
Yep, see right.
Okay. Yes. Let's go.
Next one?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Come on. What? This can't be factored?
Nope.
I didn't. Oh. How am I supposed to do the quadratic equation in 15 seconds? That's not even physically possible.
Yeah, it is.
That's so. It's not an unfair question, it's just unfair time. All right, ready?
All right.
35. So this is 30. And these are 75. So 105.
Drop it. Nice.
I escaped. Oh my god, I escaped. Alrighty. Am I supposed to be crumpling these up? I don't know why I'm doing that.
It's fine.
I'm just destroying them. I'm sorry. Okay. I mean, how are you supposed to... You can't do this in that amount of time. I can't do this in that... Yeah, I could have done that, but... It's not... It doesn't really hurt. I don't have time. That's not enough time to do a full math question.
You don't think so?
No.
All right, cool. We got 10 more.
Come on. All right, we'll see if I can get any of them. It's a good challenge.
Maybe think of an approach.
Yeah, let's see.
Do you want to...
It's C, right?
Yeah, it's C. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's B. My bad.
You might go to SHOCKTATO.
Oh, I got shocked a little bit. That's because the intercepts are -1 and -3, and then the vertex is just equidistant between intercepts. So it'll be -2, so yeah, it'll be B, right? I stabbed at that too quickly. This is a good lesson for exactly how to not do SAT problems. Like, you just have to read them without actually thinking about them and then instantaneously stab at an answer so you don't get shocked by a potato.
Yep.
That's probably not, like, I feel like that's not an effective strategy. You gotta be a little bit more thoughtful. Oh, 11.
Yeah.
No, that one's easy. What is the solution to the equation above?
Hold the SHOCKTATO.
I mean... Oh, I was close. It's 2.
Yeah, it's 2. Are you really not getting shocked?
I did get shocked.
You're not really reacting.
It's not that, it's not, I feel like it's lost some of its juice or something. Like when I first touched this thing, when it first shocked me, like the first time, it literally like paralyzed my whole arm. Now it kind of just mildly shocks your hand.
That's disappointing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
I just have that one memorized. That's not fair. I just know that's the answer. That's kind of not fair.
No?
Yeah, I just memorized the answer to that from doing this problem a million times. Oh my god. I was two numbers into the quadratic formula before I was able to get shocked. So
for the first one, you said you like history.
Yeah.
So I've got you a few U.S. history questions.
Okay.
The first two are multiple choice. The first four are multiple choice.
All right, multiple choice I can deal with. I feel like that's fair to do in the amount of time.
And the others are responses. So what will happen is I'll give it to you. You can think for 2 seconds and then you respond. If I deem your answer worthy, you can drop this potato. If you do not, then you will not.
Okay.
Ready?
Among the following presidents, the only one who was not assassinated. Not assassinated? B.
No.
Well, how am I supposed to know that?
Put your hand on the potato.
Oh, how many presidents were assassinated? Oh, okay, yeah, that is a different sensation. Oh.
So Lincoln was assassinated.
Yeah, obviously I had that one.
Garfield was assassinated.
By who? When?
Garfield was
Who the
assassinated.
hell is Garfield? I thought he was a little orange cat from a cartoon.
Garfield was assassinated by an angry supporter.
B.
Good.
Oh, I knew that had to do with some communist something. It's getting stressful. You start getting like anxiety before it's going to shock you. Which novel was a catalyst for reform in the meatpacking industry under... Meatpacking industry? What the... I have no idea. D.
No. And on the potato.
Oh, Jesus! Oh my god! So bad! So bad! Alright, what's the answer to this?
It's The Jungle by Upton Sinclair.
I am so bad at... This is what would kill me on any... You know my weakness. It's just literature. I'm terrible at it. I'm really bad at literature. Like, if I went on Jeopardy, that's where I would collapse. Like, literature and, like, music and stuff, I just would get dominated.
I know you know this one. You have told me the answer to this question.
Really?
Start it.
I'm not even reading the question. It's got to be Lusitanian.
Yeah, you're good.
That's a funny joke.
So the next two are short answer. So the way we're going to do it again is I'm going to give you the question, and then you're going to respond. And if I approve, you can put down the shocktato. But you'll be able to read the question first.
I just have to give a verbal response.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you're able to read the first. So when you're ready to begin, you can start.
Okay.
And if I don't like it, hold on to it.
Yeah.
So no rush whenever you're ready.
Okay, that's the idea that if one country was to become communist, that would cause other countries to further become communists.
And an example?
What example of what?
U.S. intervention to Canada.
I'll take the shock there. Shocktato is dominating me right now. Briefly explain why the Articles of Confederation were replaced by the Constitution. I can't. Like, I'm so nervous because the shock. I actually don't have a great answer for this question. What was the problem with the Articles of Confederation? They were. I just know that at that time the government was perceived to be too weak. All right, time to get shocked again.
Start the shocktato.
It's B.
Nope.
It's not? Positive it's B. I'm just gonna have to get shocked. Oh. Did it break? No, it didn't break. Oh my god.
The answer says C.
What? Math? What? B.
No.
I just random guessed. I have no idea how to do this. What is this? Oh, it's calculus? I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. I didn't even do this.
You take a limit, so as x goes to infinity and you apply certain derivative rules.
Uh-huh.
The key to that problem is that the numerator and the denominator are the same degree. So it's just the ratio of their leading coefficients.
Do they have the same degree?
Mm-hmm. Square root of x to the fourth is x squared.
So
They have the same degree.
3x squared This is an
You
I.
can't really do that. It's more of like within the realms of infinity.
So what is it then?
9.
Why is it 9?
Because so you see how the leading coefficient is 1?
Mm-hmm.
Leading coefficient is 9. So what 9
But I thought you said not rad 9 would be.
Oh, it is 3. Should have been shocked.
You shocked. Now you have to shock yourself. I was right.
You were right.
Total guess, but I was right.
I was wrong.
You're rigging these so that I get shocked, aren't you, Jacob?
I mean, somewhat.
I have absolutely no idea what this says, but I'm going to try to make some kind of educated guess. And I'm not shocking myself until I come up with some kind of logic. D.
Why?
Well, I don't know. You said this was 10 whatever, and then this thing is 10 whatever, and this thing is 5 whatever, so you have to add 5 to this one. I don't know. Is that actually why the thing?
No, but it is D.
How do you do this? How do you even know how to do this, first of all? How do you remember this?
Just count.
Which country has won the most World Cup titles? That's easy. Brazil and 5. Brazil 5, Italy 4, Germany 4, Spain 2. No, Spain 1, France 2, Spain 1, Uruguay 2, England 1. I think that's all of them.
I only know England 1.
Which people say was rigged in, I believe, 1968. People say it's rigged, but I mean, anything with FIFA could be rigged. But I wonder if I got all the World Cups. We'll check that later. Actually, we'll check that right now. Brazil 5, Germany 4, Italy 4, Argentina 2, France 2, Uruguay 2, England 1, Spain 1. Got it. How could I miss Argentina?
Well, Messi's from Argentina, isn't he?
Well, he hasn't won a World Cup. Diego Maradona was the real prophet of Argentine soccer. Anyways, that was fun. I got shocked a lot. My hand actually kind of hurts, which is sad. But I guess, the lesson to learn from this is that, like, tests are hard, and when you're put under extra pressure of the pain of the big bad SHOCKTATO, that's kind of like I guess you could say the stress of standardized tests weighing on you. And you could even see with me, like, I started thinking less when the fear of the shock came into play. So I think, as weird of an experiment as this was, Jacob, the SHOCKTATO is the perfect example of, like, the outside stressors of tests. We're artificially creating this scenario, but I think if you can remove the SHOCKTATO from your testing experience and actually think rather than just, like, stab at things, you probably become a better test taker. So I think this actually was strikingly beneficial. So thank you for torturing me. I appreciate it. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for checking out the video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me get shocked, and we'll be back with more stuff soon. Peace, guys.